Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I am so excited because finally, I subscribed to BOXYCHARM. I've been wanting to try BOXYCHARM for a long time, but I've just been so loyal to Ipsy. But I finally subscribed, and the great thing about Ipsy is you really don't know what products you're going to get, unlike Ipsy, because they don't give you a spoiler and show you beforehand. So unlike this box, I do have an idea of what I'm getting, only because I was watching videos before I subscribed. I didn't subscribe until I think the 12th or 13th of this month, so I finally got it, and I'm just excited to show you guys what I got in this box. But if you guys enjoyed these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe while you're at it if you're not already. So let's go ahead and show you what I got in my box. Which I do have to say, this box is quite heavy. And the theme is Getaway, which is a cute little card. And this is going to tell me the prices of everything in here. And hair sticking to my gloss. Okay. The first thing in here, which I wanted, was this No Problem Prime Essence. Okay, you can see it. Because I am in love with this No Problem primer. I bought this like a month ago, and this is like, I've been using this every single time I put my makeup on. And this one you use at the end of skincare, it says, and you, I guess, you do it before you prime your face, or just in general, just put it on your face. Oh, and this is from Touch in Sol, by the way, and it's super cute. And I know this is like apparently really liquidy. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very liquidy. Okay, but it smells, oh my god, this smells like some high-end skincare or something, like Clinique or Lancome or something like that. It smells really good. But yeah, it's just a priming essence, which it kind of made my hand look really shimmery or shiny or whatever. But yeah, okay, really excited about this. Okay, next thing in this box is a Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, which I do like Steve Laurent products. I have a blush and I think a highlighter. I think that's it. But I really like the blush, so excited about this. This is in the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm pretty excited to see what a jelly highlighter feels like. It looks like there's a fingerprint already in there, but it's not. I just opened it. This feels so weird. It kind of reminds me of those Dream Bounce blushes from Maybelline from like forever ago. Okay, let's swatch it. It feels so wet. It's weird. Oh, but it is pretty. Look at that. That's gonna be like a great summer highlight because I love the wet effect that it gives. And then you can just spread it all over your body, like if you want to highlight your shoulders or something. Let's do that. Ooh. She's lit. Oh wait. I'm slipping. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on. But yeah, this is a really fun little highlighter and pretty stoked about it. The big daddy in this palette is a Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, which this one was a BOXYCHARM exclusive. And I found that out because this is really cute. I found that out because it doesn't have like anything in the middle like most of the Tarte palettes do. Ooh, that's me. But this is a really cute neutral palette if you don't have a lot of neutrals. I have 2 neutral palettes, but no, I have 3. But I'm okay with accepting these in my collection just because I mostly wear neutrals only, besides this today, but that's because I'm repping Jeffree Star, because today's the launch of the Jawbreaker palette. So I'm wearing the mini breaker and some Thirsty on my lips. But yeah, this is a really, really cute little natural looking eyeshadow palette. Should I swatch these? Do I swatch them? I don't know. I guess I will. Where do I swatch these at? Okay. That's the first shade. Okay, we're doing this. This is a light shade. Is there even a point to me swatching all of these colors? Probably not. That one's kind of like chalky. I'm not into that one. Let's do a shimmer. Oh, this one's pretty. Let's do one more. Just one more. So that's another color there. Do I like this palette? Yes. So yeah, whatever. Ooh, okay. The next thing in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics, and she's a YouTuber, and that's all I know. I don't actually watch her. But this is in the shade Peach Tea, and I believe this is a gloss. Yes, it's a gloss from her Lemonade collection. So let's see what it smells like, because I only saw the well, this might have been the shade I saw, maybe. Oh my god, this smells like vanilla. Oh, it's very strong, but it smells so good. Let's just give you a gloss swatch. Oh, that's a cute gloss color. Wait, let me make it look better. Okay, it's super, super cute. I would put it on, but I already have my So Juicy by ColourPop lip plumper on already. But yes, love this. Super cute. Love it. And the last thing in the box is 3 of these masks. They're by the brand, it's very small, Haru, I think. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but these are berry antioxidant masks. I don't know how to pronounce that first word, but that's what these are. So I'm excited to put these in my mask drawer so I can wear them. Duh. This looks like a little like weird creature thing on the back. Hold on, you can't see it. Oh well, whatever. But yeah, I love this box. I can't wait to see what I'm getting next month. I definitely will get it sooner than this one. Let's go ahead and do the prices for everything. The Tarte Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette is retailing for $36, so that pays for the box. And this one's cheaper than Ipsy too by a couple dollars, so that's good. The Touch in Sol No Pore Blend Prime Essence is $23. The Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Fuzz, or just any of them in general, I guess, is $17. The Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, this is $26, and these face masks, I don't know if it's a 3-pack. Oh, it's a trio pack, yeah. These are $9. So pretty good value for the box. I don't really feel like doing math today. I'm kind of sick. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I'm not in the mood to do math. So that's everything in this box. I give it a 10 out of 10. I love it all, and I can't wait to see what I'm getting in the next box. So yeah, if you guys like love this look, I can always just do a little look tutorial for you guys because I'm so professional. Oh god, I can't breathe. Yeah, I used the mini breaker. I used this orange shade on top, and then Slice, which is right here, and then the Thirsty palette, all over before I did anything, I set it with this shade Parched, and then underneath my eyes I'm using Submerge. So it really gives you a nice summer look, and I'm just extra glowy today too, because I just wanted to look summery and exciting. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know you probably have seen a million of these unboxings for this month, but this is mine, and I'm in the BOXYCHARM community, and plus like family members like watching these videos and stuff. So thank you to my Facebook family for watching my videos. You guys are the real true friends there. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!